Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'll start with the customization of this mode and after that much faster access to this feature. Let's begin with opening the settings and then scroll to the display. Now we have to take a look at the reading mode, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode or the night mode in this device. So let's tap on it, and before we will be able to customize it, we have to obviously turn it on just by tapping on the switcher here. And as you can see here, we've got the slider. By going to the left, we can make it much cooler. So the device will make this yellowish color, which has been applied a little bit colder, a little bit more bluish, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. It's almost orangish, I would say. So the reading mode and this option right here is kind of a manual mode, so you can simply turn on and off this option whenever you want to just by tapping on it. And here we've got the schedule option, which is also quite cool if you need it. You can custom the period, so you can pick the turn on and turn off time, and your device will of course apply it and use it. Or you can pick good night rate, which simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. It is, I believe, location based. So it's up to you. You can of course use those options. I prefer the reading mode, which will be turned on and off manually. So as I said, that was the customization, and now faster access. All you have to do is to just unroll the top bar. And here in this first panel, we have to slide or swipe in order to find the reading mode icon, which is, as you can see right here. And all you have to do is to simply tap on it in order to turn it off, or tap on it again to turn it on. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode or reading mode, as it is said in this device in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.